Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Monchichi Styles and I have another cute tutorial for you. I am doing pin curls and I absolutely love this style. So let's get into the video. First things first, I already have washed my hair and I am just using some Shine and Gem foam or mousse on my hair. This tutorial is really simple. You're just gonna twist your hair as if you're giving yourself a quick retwist. And all I did was just start at the ends and start to roll my hair up. I don't know if you guys know about pinwheels, because that's like a dessert that I love so much. They're called spin wheels. Basically, they're pecan, like little swirl, little dessert things. They have them at Dollar Tree. I think I know the spin wheels is the off brand, and I think the pinwheels is the real one. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, you're literally just doing it in that type of motion where you are retwisting and then you just start off at the end of your lock and just flat roll it up and use the open bobby pins to just pin it in place. Again, I like this style because one, it's like super low maintenance and it's a quick and easy style to do to hold your retwist in place. So this is just a close-up of it so you can actually see what's going on. I am just twisting my hair in the same direction, giving myself a retwist. I don't use any combs or anything in particular because, again, this is a quick style. It doesn't matter to me. And as you can see, I'm just flat rolling my hair up. It's hard for me to explain it, but you can get the visual with it being up close, okay? Once you got it where it's pinned enough or where it's rolled up as tight as it can get, you're gonna take that open bobby pin and just secure it right on in place. This is supposed to be flat all the way around, okay? So I'm literally just doing the same thing, sectioning off my hair. Gotta get those little pieces out because those hurt. I don't like those in there. Retwisting it. It doesn't matter whichever direction you prefer. It doesn't matter. Retwist it all the way down with enough tension on there. You don't have to twist it super tight. I just retwist it enough so it can hold in place, and then just start to roll that hair. Just roll it up. Get that bobby pin. And just pin it right on in place. I'm going to do another one for you in slow-mo so you can see. It's really easy. There's someone, her YouTube channel is called The Digital Loctician. She has juicy locks. I've been like a subscriber to her for many years now. And I saw her give herself pin curls on her locks, and I was like, you know what, I think that is a easy style that I can give myself for my birthday, because I wanted to be pretty much natural for my birthday. I didn't wear any makeup for my birthday at all. I wanted to wear my natural hair versus the other weave style that I told myself I was gonna do. I just wanted to bring in my 30s just pretty much natural. I did wear some false nails though, because I mean, I'm gonna do that right now as my natural nails grow. But I gave myself a nice full set that was really cute. One hand was red, the other hand was black, because my birthday is February 13th. So it was like I said, right before Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to do something cute for myself, you know. And I love how everything turned out. Everything came together very well. This style is like a style that I will continuously do on my hair. When I'm just like, you know what, I want to give myself a retwist, but I don't want to use the clips, I'll pin it. I will definitely pin it. So, and I got so many compliments on it, so that's why I was like, you know what, let me just make sure that I upload the video so everybody can see how I achieved the style. Again, the inspiration or the idea came from the Digital Loctician. Her channel is right here on YouTube. She gives a lot of like useful information when it comes to locks. And she just reminded me that I literally can do pin curls on my hair versus trying to use the pipe cleaners to do it or using the flexi rods to do it. I can literally do this right here and achieve a nice soft curl look on my locks. It's amazing. So now that we're on the top is really easy. You're still doing the same exact thing as you would do for the back. Put your mousse on, pinwheel it up. I think what I will say is that if you want to layer edges, you can kind of layer edges now. If you're going to be sitting under the dryer, so you don't have to worry about doing it. For me, because I'm going to keep this style pin curl for about, I think I kept this in for 3 days, 3 or 4 days. I let this style sit. I did sit under the dryer, which you'll see in this video that I sat under the dryer for about 45 minutes. But I ended up doing my edges afterwards. But if you are like planning on going somewhere the night of and you kind of want to set everything all at once, so all you're doing is just unpinning your hair and you're ready to go out the door, I would definitely recommend that you set your edges and then complete this so you can tie down and just sit under the dryer and everything can be clean and crisp. don't know why I made this facial expression, but I know I look special. And then I'm also straining to see over my glasses. Y'all, I just can't wait till I get my LASIK done because, honey, I won't have to struggle to see. I have to wear my glasses doing everything because I just cannot see from afar. Like, I have to be up close on it so I can see. So excuse my facial expression. And also, I'm doing a spot treatment on 2 pimples that I had on my face. I believe it's called, it was like acne spot treatment, something. My sister told me about it, and I've been using it for my spot treatment, and it actually helped with my pimples. So the white stuff that's on my face, that is just some spot treatment stuff for acne or just for pimples. It is not toothpaste, okay? It is not toothpaste. Y'all, all in all, this hairstyle or the pinning process took about 30 minutes. Okay, it literally took 30 minutes because, again, it's not much to it. You just retwisting your hair, rolling, pinning. Like, once you get the groove of it and do it so much, it'll be a quick process. Like, it takes no time. I am using an Adore rinse in my hair, so my nails did get stained, but all you have to do is just wash your hands immediately after doing your hair. Go ahead and wash your hands with soap and water, and you can add a little bit of bleach to your nails and get your little scrubbing brush and scrub, and it's gonna get it right on out. My nails didn't stay stained at all for long, so it's an easy fix because it's just a simple rinse, so it's easy to correct it. I actually love it. I love it, love it, love it. Looks really, really good. So yeah, y'all saw that I was using this little mousse in between. I'm about done with this. I'm not really particular on my mousse. Well, I'm not gonna lie, yes I am. I have 3 different types of mousses that I actually like. And my reasoning for liking them is because of the smell. This has an okay smell to it, but I like for my hair to like be very, very, you know, fresh. And there is a couple of ones that smells really, really good. The Lotta Body setting foam is really good. I like to use Jane Carter because she's natural. It's natural for 4C and well, yeah, 4 hair types and 3C on down, whatever. It's for the softer curls because she's a mixed chick anyway, so the curls, you know, it's for the softer hair texture. I like using that. And then it's another one, I think, like, is it Silk Elements? I want to say Silk Elements heat protectant smells bomb. Okay, I even just put the heat protectant, I spray that on my hair before I sit up under the dryer because it smells really, really bomb, and my hair just smells amazing after that. Did I check to see what's in the ingredients? No, I have not. I haven't looked at it. I mean, I barely put anything in my hair. I have locks, so it's very rare that I put many products in my hair. I'm going to use the same 3 things, which will be shea butter, black soap, and I may use some Cream of Nature shampoo or a neutralizing shampoo. It really just all depends, but as far as product wise, I don't really put too much on my hair. When I do my retwist, I use shea butter. They have I think I was using Talia Wajid product, but one of them I noticed that it left like build up in my hair, and it gave me like a white cast sometimes. So I try to refrain from using that and just use something that I know can just be absorbed by my hair on its own, which is shea butter. The most time that you may see me with product buildup would really be around the front or the edges of my hair, because I'll use like some type of leave-in conditioner on my hair, or a curly souffle, not curly souffle, but like a curly type of curling pudding. It's a Cream of Nature one. I put that on because that just helps with laying my edges. Really, I don't have to use it. After you're done drying, just tie it up, and here's the finished result. All in all, this style lasted me for about 2 weeks. I was able to wear it different ways, but I am very pleased with the results. Everything turned out good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch